welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be talking about Asian Paints. So Asian Paints recently made a top of about 3600 and now it is trading at about 2300 levels, which is at 40% discount. Now primarily what has gone wrong with this company is there are so many new competitors which have entered into the market, and one of them being Birla. So Birla being a huge Indian conglomerate, they have launched their own brand called Opus. Under Opus, they are manufacturing their own paints, and under all the segments of paints which Asian Paint is already catering, they have launched their own paints. Now primarily this has gone in negative sentiment for the investors who are already investing in Asian Paints. Having said that, we also do realize that India is a new growth story. There are a lot of developments which are happening in the rural part of India, and the overall demand is also quite getting increased. So primarily we have to consider that also while we stop investing in such fundamentally strong companies like Asian Paints. To talk about this further, I also want to talk about a couple of things historical what have happened with this company called Asian Paints. So in 1970, this company was a pioneer to invest in supercomputers. Most of you may or may not know, but they invested 8 crores in buying a supercomputer, which was the first Indian company to invest in supercomputers. And they got this supercomputer in 1970s, and the primary reason to get was to have the data analysis done. So today in 21st century, we are talking of artificial intelligence and data analysis. This company realized the importance of this and they invested in supercomputers just to grab the data and analyze the data of Indian consumers, and they invested 8 crores in 1970, which actually turns out to be 200 to 250 crores today after adjusting the inflation. So that is the value they have seen in 1970. That was the vision of the founders. Now primarily today Asian Paint has got a huge data which can actually predict what kind of consumers in India, in which locality, need what kind of paint in what quantity. So this is the predictive analysis only Asian Paints can do, because they have the data of maybe 55 years since they procured the supercomputer. Having said that, we also have to realize that there are so many new entrants in the market, and also this being a fundamentally strong company, the overall market scenario still looks positive for such kind of companies. And having said that, the Asian Paints have already made a good base at these levels. To talk about fundamentally good companies, we are going to talk more of how to analyze a good company. We are going to talk about all the parameters which we look actually for any company to be a fundamentally strong company. So under this channel, we are going to launch a series to make you understand how you can arrive at a conclusion whether the company is really good at fundamentals or not. We are going to talk about all those 15-20 parameters which we normally see to understand whether the company is really good with the fundamentals or not. So I thank you for watching this video and keep following our channel to learn more updates. Thank you.